A wise man once told me, friends are like toilet paper. It's always good to have a few extra under the sink. Hey everyone, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. Yeah, so as you can see, my hair's still a little wet because I've been sleeping. It has been a heck of a week. Sleeping has been wonderful. So, today, I went to the mail. Wow, that seems quite heavy. And I got my Walmart beauty box. Is this still worth it? Okay, so if you're not familiar, Walmart beauty box is like $5. I'm going to open it up. And, sometimes they give you coupons, sometimes they give you foil packs, sometimes they give you like full-size mascaras. Last time I gave it to my friend Kathy. Yeah. So sometimes it's worth it. Let's see if it's even worth it this time. Always there's a lot of lotions, body washes, you know. Great for travel. Anyway, so the inside of the box says, celebrate your beauty. Yay! I'm beautiful, I know that. Shoot. So, okay, so, ooh. Let's see what I can see. Can you? They got a full-size deodorant in here from Degree. Hey, as someone who shares with her husband, I'm grateful to have an extra. And looky here. It's a beauty sponge from Real Techniques. In fact, that's what I used today. This is what they, when they're damp, what they puff up to. Yay! My $5 box, just so you know, these are like $5 a piece all the time. And this, I don't know. Okay, then we have plackers. Floss thingies. You know what, guys? I buy these. I don't remember what the price is, but yay! Of course, a lotion. Because I'm never going to need to buy lotion again. Holy heck. So, but this one's from Gold Bond. So, yay. Right? I say that a lot, don't I? So, yay. Okay. So, this is the Radiance Renewal. Hydrating Ultimate Lotion. Yeah, and we got a lotion spray from Aquaphor. I think I'm going to do that. I hate putting on lotion, guys. I'll do it, but I don't like it. Alright, I got another mask from So AE. Or, yes, So AE. It's the name of the brand, but it's a purifying, brightening, it's a peeling mask. Yay! And I just used the last of mine of this, but this is a bath salt. And this one is in, yeah, it is the menthol spearmint. So this is actually perfect because I had some of these and I used them. So anyway, let's see if they have any coupons. This is directions on how to use the spray lotion. So no coupon there. The plackers, you get a coupon for 35% or 35 cents off, 35% of $1. Yeah, that was a good cover. All right, and it's just a little flyer. It's not a coupon. For the Real Techniques sponge. Meh, we're just gonna toss these. I think I could figure out how to use one of these dealies. And you get this handy dandy box. I am a big fan of using them to organize stuff. And you, with the Celebrate Your Beauty dealie, you get to enter in to win a $100 gift card at beautyboxsurvey.com. So, yeah, I know what I'm doing next. Thanks, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye.